YouTube is full of videos about this new platform, BeeWaveWork, which supposedly allows you to earn up to $680 daily. But is BeeWaveWork really a platform where you can earn money as it claims? Or is it just another time-wasting site to avoid? Welcome to Lord of the Facts. In today's video, we'll explore this platform by creating an account and testing its features to determine if it's worth your time or your money. Before diving into BeeWaveWork, there are some critical details you need to know. Stick around as I break everything down step by step to help you decide if this is the right opportunity for you. What is BeeWaveWork? According to its website, BeeWaveWork offers various digital marketing jobs and claims to be a one-stop task outsourcing solution. They also showcase a certificate, but let's be honest, certificates like this are easy to create and don't necessarily prove much. So, let's focus on the core, the tasks and how the platform actually works. First, I created an account. To do this, I clicked on the bottom right icon, then selected Login with Email. Afterwards, you should click on Create an Account. I will not do it as I already created an account in advance, as you can see. So in my case, I will just click on Login. Now, let's dive into the platform. Exploring the platform. Scrolling through the platform, you'll find various jobs with listed payouts. However, I found it very strange that you cannot see the task details beforehand. Normally, on similar platforms, you'd know the task requirements before clicking on them. For this example, I clicked on the Music Promotion tab. Here, you can see many listed jobs. You can only see the platform name, the song title, and the amount you'll earn after completing the task, as I mentioned before. I clicked on a task that promised $3.40 upon completion. After selecting it, the task appeared in my task list. To access it, I went to the checklist icon. There, I found an overview of my daily earning progress, which is capped at $4 with the basic plan. Once I clicked on the task, I finally saw what I needed to do. The task seemed suspiciously simple. Click on a link, add the song to your favorites, take a screenshot as proof, and upload it. It's hard to believe such minimal effort could earn money. Nevertheless, for the sake of this video, I completed the task. Interestingly, the task must be reviewed and approved before you can earn the money. Notes: while waiting for the task to be reviewed, let me share some critical information. To withdraw your earnings, you need to create a withdrawal password. However, if you don't live in the USA, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, or the UK, you won't be able to create this password. This means you cannot withdraw your money. As I live outside these countries, I cannot withdraw any earnings. Therefore, if you're in a different country, do not create an account or spend money on this platform. The membership system. Here's where things get even more questionable: the membership levels. While there's a free plan, you cannot withdraw earnings unless you upgrade to a paid plan. Paid plans offer higher daily earning limits but require performance bonds, essentially deposits you must pay upfront to access features. For example, upgrading to a plan that claims to allow earnings of $680 daily might sound appealing, but it comes with a staggering $19,800 deposit requirement. That's right, $19,800. This setup makes it clear the business model revolves around user deposits rather than providing legitimate freelance opportunities. User feedback and risks. If you check reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, you'll see many users reporting issues with withdrawing earnings. Some accounts were even blocked when users attempted to cash out. Based on my experience and the numerous red flags, BeeWaveWork doesn't appear to be a legitimate or sustainable way to earn money online. Final verdict. While BeeWaveWork promises substantial payouts, the platform's business model is highly suspicious. The lack of transparency in tasks, reliance on deposits, and restrictions on withdrawals make it incredibly risky. Even if you manage to withdraw small amounts initially, you're unlikely to make a profit. The focus seems to be on collecting money from users rather than providing real freelancing opportunities. I know some of you may argue that I can't be certain without testing the deposit system. However, based on my experience, I see no reason to risk money on such a questionable platform. If you're serious about making money online, there are better alternatives. Survey sites, for instance, won't make you rich but are free and reliable. I hope this video helped you make an informed decision about BeeWaveWork. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Lord of the Facts, and hit the notification bell for more tips on earning money online. See you in the next video.